Oh, yeah.
Nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. When someone feels extremely nervous, anxious, and worried because they believe something bad or uncomfortable could happen at any moment. Meaning, describe someone who is extremely nervous or anxious, especially in a place or situation where even the smallest movement or noise makes them feel more uneasy. Examples. He was as nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs before his first job interview. She felt as nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs while waiting for the exam results. Conversation. Example. You've got your presentation in front of the whole company today. Nervous? A little. You'll do great. I feel as nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Origin. This vivid phrase comes from the image of a cat, naturally alert and sensitive, feeling threatened by the slightest movement or noise in a room where everything rocks and creaks. Modern use. We use it to describe people who are extremely nervous in situations like public speaking, performances, job interviews, or any high-pressure setting. Relative expressions. Similar. On edge, jumpier than a cat. Anxious as can be. A bundle of nerves. Opposite, cool as a cucumber, calm as a fish, unfazed. When to use it? When you are very nervous in a sensitive situation. When small things make you feel more anxious. When you are in an unfamiliar or high-pressure setting. When you want to express extreme unease in a colorful and memorable way. Extra example. Backstage, waiting for her big performance. I'm as nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs right now. Key takeaway. Extreme nervousness plus a sensitive environment equals as nervous as a long-tailed cat in a room full of rocking chairs. Remember, it describes extreme nervousness. Small things feel bigger. Perfect for high-pressure moments. A vivid image you won't forget. Brought to you by Idioms Rock.